So, good evening, everyone. Today is the third day of our great Master Practitioner program with Mangesh Sir, and it has been an interesting 3 days. So, I would want to know certain things from you in candid mode. Okay?
Certainly, yes.
Yes. So, to begin with, can you just share your personal profile and how NLP fits in with your profile?
Sure. So, I'm leading HR for Rolls-Royce India, and being a people partner for Rolls-Royce India, there are so many stakeholders which I need to really manage, and coaching and mentoring is one of my passion and hobby. I'm just going last year with certain techniques which will help me to manage my stakeholders and obviously create an impression among employees about my better image. So I just came across the NLP, and that's why I come to know about NLP more. And NLP, I will use NLP first is to build up a great rapport with my stakeholders. Second is
Awesome.
to influence and motivate my employees around me. So
Wonderful.
this is what I think I would like to do it to the next level after I get good insight from Dr.
Mangesh Das.
Mangesh Das.
Wow. Looking forward to it. We have another 10 days to go.
Sure.
So, what are the three striking learnings, if you have to just bring it to three, of NLP in the last 3 days and prior to that, that you would want the entire world to know of?
There are not three, there are four. which I
Oh,
must say.
wonderful. Addition is always welcome. Please share with us.
So I must say that in the last 3 days, I'm just mingling and interacting with so many friends, I must say. I'm very happy to say that four major things which are great learning for me, and I would definitely want everybody to take it forward if it suits to them. First is passion. I guess I see lots of passion, and if you have a passion in you, you can just take NLP to the next level.
Absolutely.
Second is the curiosity, and that comes with lots of learning ability. So if you are curious in every situation, I don't see any limit of learning. Third is the intent. What you have an intent to do with NLP. Is that something which you want to do something with yourself, or you want to take NLP to the next level where you are actually supporting and helping people to grow there in life? And the fourth and most important thing is how much agile, adaptable you are to manage
Wonderful.
these techniques in not only the professional but personal life. Because here NLP is not something which you can only use in the dealing with your bosses or with your employees, but as simple as you're dealing with your spouse, or as simple as you're dealing with your grandma, you can use this technique.
Wonderful.
So I
A
think,
beautiful
I
insight.
think
Beautiful
those
insight.
4 things are the major insights for me, and for that I just wanted to say thank you to all my colleagues, because they are telling me to do this again and again, and that's really imprinting on my brain.
Thank you on behalf of everyone, I believe. Now the question is, what is that you see in Dr. Mangesh Das that he is a unique trainer for NLP? In 5 words? How many words you need?
I think I need 4 words again.
Oh, wonderful.
Dr. Das is very simple. So I think when you have such a complex subject, in my perspective, when you take to the simplest level, you will be able to learn the things very easily. So he makes the things so simple, and
Okay.
that's really create a long-term learning and impact in your life.
Okay.
Second thing, he is very bold. Bold in the sense, he is very bold in terms of sharing his knowledge, so that he just want us to grow to the next level. I see the people, I see the trainer, I see the facilitator just give the knowledge up to certain level, because there is a certain level of security level issues comes.
I get that,
Because if I gave a knowledge to this person, probably this person can
Yeah.
do the better
Yeah.
than me, but then I don't see that. So that's itself comes with lots of bold attitude,
True.
and that certainly is a great learning. Third is I see immense amount of agility in him. I mean, he is a friend when you actually go and ask certain questions. He is a boss when you really have that level of question, and he is a guru when you have that. So he has a
Absolutely.
great ability of molding himself to the different level of personality. And the fourth and most important thing is I think he is extremely collaborative. So that's something which is very rare.
I think we'll ditto that. All of us will ditto that.
Yeah, very rare in the people, because to a master or to a trainer, certain people just restrict themselves to a certain level. But I see a great level of collaboration where the intention is very clear that he doesn't want to stop here only with this exam, with the programs. He wants to go beyond, and he will feel very happy when we grow in our life. So that's something which comes with that 4 principles, I must say.
I think, yeah, 4 principles that he keeps teaching
Yes.
us about. Wonderfully put. And I think everybody off camera is agreeing to you on these 4 points
Certainly,
for sure.
yes. Yeah.
And the most wow moment now, I would want to know from you, during your NLP experience with Dr. Dash during our last 3 days, what would be that one or whatever? I don't want to quantify a wow moment.
I think the every moment is a aha moment or wow
Aha
moment.
moment.
I
Yes,
must
it
say.
is.
But then in the last couple of days, I'm just using my coaching and then whatever learning I'm getting from all of you, and obviously from Guruji. The assignment which he's giving to us, and when I'm experimenting on my friends and colleagues, and with the attitude they says that, oh Anup, we got that insight which earlier was not there. I think that every moment building up lots of confidence in me. It's a wonderful moment, and then they are building up that confidence. Nobody has really give that negative remarks, which itself shows that the NLP is already there in them, which making me to the next level.
I think you have summarized the best we can of the last 3 days, and thank you so much for your time.
Thanks.
And this was our first episode. More to come. Thank you so much, Anup.
Thank you, Dr.